The sea is deep on the windward side. The wind is cold.
Hello, and welcome to the aquarium of the Pacific. My name is Kevin. I'll be your guide as we tour the exotic habitat of the rockhopper penguins. Like humans, penguins are extremely loyal and are excellent caregivers. Sometimes a penguin will hold its young on its feet to keep it warm for up to 24 hours. Would you be able to hold someone you love, say me, for 24 hours? Hello, do you have an occupation?
Yeah, I'm an attorney.
A lawyer. Excellent. You see, like lawyers, penguins spend much of their day eating, walking in circles, and yelling at each other. Penguins use vocal communication to tell other penguins that they want certain breeding rights or to attract a mate. I just asked you to dinner. I'd like to ask if anyone has any questions about penguins.
Do penguins have enemies?
Like humans, penguins have relatively few natural predators. However, some penguins are hunted by predators that have been introduced to their habitat through human activity. Would you protect me from an introduced predator? No? Not sure? Too busy? Prefer to look the other way? That's okay. I own a gun. Penguins live in large groups, sometimes with thousands of members, called colonies. Would you allow me to join your colony?
No.
No? Don't want me there?
No.
Not at all?
No way.
That's okay. I'm on Friendster. Does anyone else have a question about penguins?
Why don't penguins get cold?
You see, like humans, or most Americans, penguins have a thick layer of blubber to keep them warm. Penguins also have plumage, which keeps them dry in cold Arctic waters. Unless, of course, they swim through an oil spill. Would you scrub me clean if I swam through an oil spill? Not sure, don't want to, not without a blindfold? That's okay. I own a loofah. But remember, there's one thing that humans and penguins don't have in common. Only humans hold the fate of all other species in their hand. Don't make that hand a fist. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of your stay at the aquarium.